Welcome to CAD Sim Technologies.
Hello everyone, in this video we'll create this model and the dimensions for this model are shown here. Click on the new button in the data group. In the new dialog box, make sure that the part radio button in the type area and the solid radio button in the subtype area are selected. We'll name our file as C06TUT2. Click OK. Click on the sketch button in the datum group. In the sketch dialog box, select the front plane and in the reference edit box, right datum plane is selected. Click on the sketch button. Click on the sketch view button in this ribbon. We will first create this base feature. Then we'll create this circular feature. And then we'll finally create this feature. Click on the line chain tool in the line drop down. Start creating the sketch. Press the middle mouse button. Press the escape button. We have created the sketch. Click on the dimension tool in the dimension group. Click here and press the middle mouse button. 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 Delete this constraint. Click here and press the middle mouse button. Delete this constraint. Now select the whole sketch by pressing Ctrl Alt plus A and click on the Modify tool in the editing group. In the Modify Dimensions dialog box, clear the Regenerate checkbox. Now we'll modify the dimensions one by one. This dimension is 8. This dimension is also 8. This dimension is 20. This one is 8. This dimension is 18. This is 72. This dimension is 68. Click on the OK button. Our sketch is ready for the base feature. Again, click the OK button in the close group. Choose the extrude tool from the shapes group. Provide a depth of 38. Press enter and click on the OK button. We have created the base feature. Now we'll create the second circular feature. Select this face and click on the sketch button in the datum group. Click on the sketch view button in this ribbon. Choose the circle tool from the sketching group. Create a circle. Again, click here and create a circle. Press the middle mouse button. Choose the dimension tool from the dimension group. Click here, and press the middle mouse button. Again, click here, and press the middle mouse button. Select the whole sketch by pressing Ctrl Alt plus A. Click on the Modify tool in the editing group. In the Modify Dimensions dialog box, clear the Regenerate checkbox. This dimension is 15. This dimension is 19. This one is 20. And this is 28. Click on the OK button. Click on the OK button in the close group. Choose the extrude tool from the shapes group. Provide a depth of 17. Press enter and click on the OK button. We have created the second feature for the model. Now we'll create this third feature. For creating this feature, we'll need a datum plane in the middle. Choose the plane tool from the datum group. In the datum plane dialog box, click on the references area. Click here. Press the control button in your keyboard and click here. A plane appears in the middle. Click on the OK button. Choose the profile rip tool in the rip drop down. Select this plane and click on the sketch view button. Choose the line chain tool from the line drop down. Click here and click here. Press the middle mouse button. We have created a line. Now choose the dimension tool from the dimension group. Click here and click here. Press the middle mouse button. Similarly, click here and click here. Press the middle mouse button. Select the whole sketch by pressing Ctrl Alt plus A. Choose the Modify tool in the editing group. Clear the Regenerate checkbox. This dimension is 15. This one is 32. Click on the OK button. Again, click the OK button in the close group. Provide a width of 8. Press enter. Flip the direction. Click on the OK button. We have created the model. From the file menu, choose the save option and then click on the save button. Our file is saved as shown here. So in this video, we created 3 features with the help of sketching tools. Then we extruded the first and second feature and created the third feature with the help of rip tool, and finally saved our sketch.
Thank you. Catch you in the next video.